Thank you, Devdatta. Hello, everyone. Today, I'll be talking about SoundScope. We at Made Mantra are working on a startup called SoundScope. SoundScope aims to completely automate the medical ultrasound using AI. Since before the 2019 pandemic began, we were working on automating radiology image interpretation. The need to reduce close interaction between doctors and patients during this pandemic gave a significant boost to the idea of completely automating the medical ultrasound. These are the problems which we worked on. Clinical examination. Since ages, all doctors rely on clinical examination to understand what is wrong inside the patient's body. This gives extremely limited information. Difficulty in acquiring skills. It is extremely difficult and time consuming for most doctors, including general practitioners or family physicians, to acquire medical ultrasound skills. There is worldwide shortage of experienced sonographers and radiologists for performing and interpreting ultrasound examinations that has negatively impacted the healthcare. Expensive, bulky, and inefficient ultrasound equipment using old technology, along with skilled manpower shortage, has led to skyrocketing of healthcare costs. Currently available ultrasound systems need significant improvement to make them patient and doctor friendly. And finally, there is the risk of spreading infection. Medical ultrasound procedure involves close interaction between a radiologist or a sonographer and the patient. So this increases the risk of spreading infection during the pandemic, like the ongoing one. So SoundScope provides the solution to all these problems. Complete automation using AI. A robotic hand will perform sonography and ultrasound videos will be immediately interpreted by AI algorithms. The robotic hand as well as the image interpretation use computer vision to achieve these objectives. Empower every doctor. SoundScope will empower every doctor, including the primary care physicians, to replace the unreliable and indirect clinical examination with direct visualization of the insides of a human body. This will immensely help the humankind while revolutionizing the entire healthcare system. When our technology is available, everyone should use it. The safest medical diagnostic examination. Ultrasound is the safest medical diagnostic examination, unlike X-rays and CT scans. It is also the most widely used and the most economical diagnostic imaging modality. SoundScope will make it even safer by obviating the need for close person-to-person interactions. Then efficient and quick diagnosis. Immediate availability of ultrasound diagnosis to the doctor on the first visit will considerably speed up treatment and save millions of lives. Healthcare cost savings, significant reduction in healthcare costs by radically improving the efficiency of the entire healthcare system. And SoundScope provides an easy to use and a complete solution. SoundScope will offer a complete solution that includes a mobile app for patient education and interaction, a robotic hand to perform ultrasound, an ergonomic bed where the patient lies, automated cleaning and disinfection after every examination, and the compact ultrasound unit with automated image interpretation. So how will SoundScope revolutionize healthcare? Every doctor using ultrasound for every patient visit will lead to exponential increase in the number of ultrasound examinations performed. Constant innovation and over-the-air upgrades, introduce constant innovation and over-the-air updates in the healthcare system, which is significantly lacking of the latest technology, and it's very slow to adopt latest technology. Mass manufacturing and vertical integration, these will be implemented to achieve economies of scale, which is again a concept which is unknown in healthcare field. And all services will be subscription based to reduce the acquisition costs of the end user and continued revenue to the company. This venture offers guaranteed success. All technologies involved are tried and tested. It's just a question of integration of various technologies. Data for training AI, huge ultrasound video data is available from currently installed machines. Unlike the full self-driving, huge demand, those not using SoundScope will be at a significant disadvantage, which will drive demand. Current status, SoundScope is currently self-funded and is in the stage of developing an MVP, minimum viable product. Large-scale data acquisition and data labeling will be carried out in India. We are developing an innovative system for training of data labelers. It involves developing a video game-like system for training hundreds of data labelers in labeling the ultrasound data. So in summary, SoundScope plans to build the most efficient, most advanced, most compact, most user-friendly, and the most attractive, fully automated medical ultrasound system that is mass manufactured. It is the equivalent of developing electric vehicles with full self-driving in healthcare, but with significantly less efforts and resources. Thank you.
Thank you, Parag, for the presentation. Yeah, definitely integrating robotics, ultrasound, and then using AI on top of it to understand those ultrasound signals or images is really fascinating, and it can be a game changer. All the best for your venture.